Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to ditch the factory intake on our 6.2 liter 2017 Silverado to make it breathe and sound a whole lot better. K&N is one of the biggest names in aftermarket cold air intakes, and our 2017 Silverado with the 6.2 liter engine is still breathing through a straw with the factory intake, so today we're going to install this K&N cold air intake. This cold air intake is designed to be a direct fit replacement for the factory one on your Silverado with the 5.3 or 6.2 liter engine. It features a high flow polyethylene intake tube, a large pre-oiled air filter protected by a heat shield, and all the hardware and couplers that you'll need for installation. It's going to help your truck to breathe better, and it's legal in all 50 states, and the best part is it's super easy to install. Tools you'll need for this installation: an 8mm socket, 10mm socket, an extension, T15 Torx bit, 1/4-inch ratchet, 3mm hex key, 4mm hex key, and an adjustable wrench. Alright, this K&N cold air intake is actually really easy to install. The first thing we're going to do is remove the big, ugly, and restrictive factory intake. The first thing we're going to do is disconnect both PCV hoses from the air intake. Press on the gray tab and pull it right off. It's kind of hard to see, but next we're going to loosen the clamp on the throttle body. There's a screw on each corner of the airbox that needs to be removed. The intake can now be removed. Remove the air filter. Remove the bottom portion of the airbox just by pulling it up and out of its grommets. Remove the 4 bolts that secure the airbox mounting tray. Remove the tray. Grab your K&N heat shield and install the provided weather stripping around the trim. You can cut off the excess. To give us a little bit more room, we're going to remove this 10mm bolt right here. Then move the support bar out of the way. Install your heat shield into the truck. And once you get it in place, secure it with 3 of the factory screws. Install the filter adapter onto the air filter. Tighten down the clamp. Secure the air filter with 2 of the provided bolts. Reinstall this support bar. Remove both PCV hoses from the engine. Install a coupler and clamp onto the filter adapter and then tighten the clamp. Use a T15 Torx bit to remove the factory mass airflow sensor. Install the gasket onto the intake tube for the mass airflow sensor. Then place the adapter onto the intake tube and secure it with the provided hardware. Then secure the mass airflow sensor to the adapter. Install the provided hose barbs into the intake tube. You don't need to over-crank these, just get them snug. For the throttle body side of the intake tube, there's 2 different coupler options. This one is for the 5.3 liter engine, and this one is for the 6.2. Put the 6.2 coupler on there, and now it's ready to go on the truck. Then tighten down your clamps. Plug in your mass airflow sensor. Then use the provided hose for the PCV ports. Okay, we got our K&N cold air intake installed on our Silverado. We got rid of that ugly factory intake. It looks a whole lot better under the hood, and it should definitely help this truck to breathe a whole lot better too. Installation shouldn't take you more than an hour, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.